can you stop GLP-1s and maintain weight? So we know that you don't actually have to, but is it possible to do that?
Of course you can. But the key thing is that without the medication support, that can be a lot more difficult for patients. Look, a lot of our patients do stop the medication and they do manage to keep the weight off long term. And those tend to be the patients that have developed healthy habits, both in terms of their diet and in terms of their movement. And I think that that is really important. But what's important to note is that it's really vital that a person reduces their doses gradually. That when they are prioritising healthy eating, that they're increasing the amount of protein and fibre in their diet, and that they're eating really a nutrient-dense diet. That movement is vital, but particularly resistance training. But above all else, I would say that it's really vital to have a healthy attitude towards your weight. Don't focus on the scales, don't worry about slight increases, decreases. The key thing is about how you feel and, little things like how your clothes might fit better, for example.
Yeah, absolutely. That's something that we often advise our patients when they are speaking to us through your journey, is not to fixate on the numbers on the scale, because that can become obsessive as well in a way. So I think that's a better indicator, is about how you feel in your body and how your clothes are maybe fitting you, rather than weighing yourself too often than what you need to.
Absolutely. And that is the ultimate marker of health, isn't it? It's about feeling happy and comfortable in yourself.